In my studio, I'm a real nerd for getting sound in and out of my computer. So I've created, in addition to my audio interface, a patching matrix that I wired up myself that's basically a number of ins to a number of outs, and with a couple of flips of switches, I can get sound from anything to anything. And then I've tried to come up with ways of creating these kind of crossovers, so I can go, okay, just the high frequencies from that sound, that goes over to that thing, and that gets processed and brought back into the other thing. And this kind of like interconnectedness that makes my studio kind of like a big circuit has made it so that I can get to the idea super quickly. And it's just the result of learning enough about circuitry to get it to a point where I don't have to constantly plug and unplug stuff. I don't have to rethink the wiring of the studio all the time. I just have a very flexible system for getting things to and from other places.